You want me to call you back?
Sure.
Okay. Back up some, babe. Off speaker. Babe. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Michellechanel here, and thank you for tuning into another video. So today is going to be a tutorial on this look I'm wearing right here, including the face too. Face is included. I'm getting a lot of hate mail. Not this way. But I know people like to watch the base. I even like to watch the base. So base is included, but it's just going to be a tutorial on this look. I hope you enjoy. All matte eye, straight out liner, glam lashes. I'm living. I got a new highlight today that I tried, and I am a disco ball. I don't know if you can tell. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Go ahead and thumbs up if you haven't thumbs up. Because that's everything you have to do. Subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Thank you for clicking it. Now you're included. Now you're in the number. And where else would you be? Welcome. This is great. This is it. This is the moment. Here we go. Alright, so first I'm taking my trusty concealer, the LA Girl, in the medium beige. And we're going to prime our eyelid and blend. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know. Alright, so taking my beautiful palette here. I am obsessed with this thing. I'm starting with the shade Pyramid, and that's the warm brown right here. And I'm going to start by buffing that in my upper crease pretty generously. Starting on the outside, and I'm kind of going upward. So this diagonal right here is where I'm at. I'm going to take that and also brush it out to the sides as well. So here, here, and then up to the arch of my brow. In this upward motion, just like that. Alright, so my next shade is going to be Sky, and that's this beautiful blue. So pretty. It looks navy. In the camera it looks really royal, but it's actually like navy though. You know, because my light's popping. And I'm going to take that right in this area. I'm using a smaller, more defined brush for this part because I really just want to get the shape here. I just really want this on the outside in that same upward diagonal motion. And I'm going to blend that right into Pyramid. And then the closer I get to having as much as a payoff as I want, I'm going to go back in the brush I used for Pyramid, and I'm going to blend that over so the two are blended together. Alright, so my next shade is going to be, oh, can I get it together here? Fade. And you know I love me a chocolate brown. I just, you just gotta have it. I use it for so many things. And I'm going to put that right in my crease. So it's going right in the flap, up under Sky. And we're gonna blend that out and add even more definition and even more smoke. It's gonna be good. I did bring Fade into my inner corner just a tad, so now we have this nice gradient flow going on over here for the crease area. Loving it. Now, what we're going to do is go back to the concealer that we primed with. I'm going to add some to my lid and blend that out one more time with my beauty blender. Not cutting the crease or anything. We just want to make sure that is there because that green is the star of the story, and we want to make sure that pops even more than it already is because these shadows are great. So I'm going to put that here for your mask. And now I'm going to take a little bit of a packing brush. It's fluffy, but it's still packing, and that's what I'm going to use for the green shade. Gorgeous, beautiful cactus right here. Oh my gosh, y'all. And look, it's going to go perfectly. Look at this. Look. We want to cover the entire concealer area. Now I'm going back in with the brush I used for Fade, which is that deeper chocolate brown, and I'm going around the edges on the outside. So next I'm taking my eyeliner, and this is the BH Cosmetics eyeliner. that I always use. I went very straight out. I do usually go some sort of straight, but this one is very straight. I'll try to get as much as on camera. You guys know my struggle. We'll get into the base here in just a second. Let me pop my lash on and I'll be right back. So to start off, I'm going to prime my face with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Y'all seen this one before. It's the e.l.f. primer. It's really silicone-y, fills in pores, smooths out. And right now that is what I need because I'm getting random bumps on my face. And if I sound congested, I just am. That's it. Just like on my cheeks, I'm thinking it might be because of that one day I neglected my face. And my face is like, okay. We're gonna remind you that we exist. You have a face, take care of it. All right, now I'm gonna go in. I'm just not even focused. Is this even a video? I'm gonna go in and conceal. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I've been using it more lately. I miss it. I miss the finish. Is this what's breaking me out? Because I will cut somebody. I know you guys don't think I have it in me, but I'm crazy. This better not be what's breaking me out. I promise you, as I put more on. I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer. And this is my Juvia's Place. What the crust? What the crust? If you guys see crust, just camera cut off for a little bit. The foundation I'm gonna be using is my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. Y'all know I love this stuff. Gosh, am I boring? So I'm gonna blend my concealer out first. It's been sitting for a little bit, which I like to do. All right, for the rest of my face, I'll put my foundation on, which won't be much because I've already concealed. Gosh, I look crazy. Is this a Scott Barnes tutorial? J-Lo's makeup artist? All right, I have my new face on here because, wow. I'm gonna go in and set. I wanna tell you guys what I did recently. So I was running low on my deep Maybelline Fit Me. I mean, in my opinion, I was running low. And so what I did, I took like half of my Beauty Bakery powder and I mixed it in with this. And I love it. I'm getting like the power of both together simultaneously. All right, I'm setting my face with the trusty Black Radiance face powder. My trusty powder. Guys, after, I want to say like next month, I'm gonna get like a full face of new stuff, including Fenty, because I've never tried Fenty products yet. I haven't experienced that. And I have high expectations. So stay tuned for that video because I'm gonna be rich for like 2 minutes. I'm gonna set something on fire if I can't find my bronzer. I just wanna make that very clear so we know in advance that the flames are coming. Go down below and tell me what bronzer I'm using because at this point I can't say it anymore. I can't say it enough. All right, I'm going back into the palette. I'm actually gonna use the shade Fade in here and I'm going to contour because it's been doing that for me. I'm telling you, as soon as I see a chocolate deep brown shade, that's the first thing I think about is contouring my face with it. A brown smoky eye and contouring. Oh my gosh, now my camera's dying and I have to get up and change the battery. I'm gonna go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with Alyssa Edwards. I'm gonna take a black so lightly and I just barely touched it and I'm gonna go into my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna go into the Ace Beauty palette and I'm going to take this a bit more generously and put that right on top. Keep looking at myself in my side mirror like, girl, hey girl. Now I'm gonna stick some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, I have this new highlighter that I bought, but I forgot about it. It's by Juvia's Place and it's called Nefertiti. And I bought this a long time ago. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush that I usually use for my eye, but I'm gonna use this. I just feel like this is about to get crazy in here. I feel it. I'm just gonna use what's in the cat. Oh! Okay. This highlight is really golden. It's like literally, I think it's like Juvia's Place's version of Trophy Wife by Fenty. I'm gonna go into my Anastasia highlight in the bronze and do the rest of my face. I'm gonna add some to my brow bone. That area pop a little bit and also blend out the shadow so it doesn't look like it's too close to the brow. Taking some of the Juvia's Place highlight and doing the right side of my forehead thing that I like. My sis just told me Dreamgirls is on television. When did Beyonce allow this? All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlight and put it on my inner corner. I'm just gonna throw some in here on my inner corner. I probably should have used a smaller brush, But I'm so smart that I didn't. That's how smart I am. Let's go in with the lips. Now, to be honest, y'all probably like, dang, she probably gonna draw on a new lip. I mean, I'm saying the same thing, period. What is this? Let me hurry up and get done because the universe is not with me. All right, so I got two. Look. Okay, listen. Wig from ColourPop. Well, that went far. And then I'm gonna go over it with Ashton. I'm going in with my Morphe True Story. What now? What do I say now? What now? All right, we have achieved the look. Let me get the whole look together. I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I want to say I didn't have this planned. I really thought I was going to do something like shimmery and stuff, but I think that I've explained enough that these are my favorite type of looks. All matte eyes. Like, I don't know what people's problems are, but you don't have to be shimmery on your lid, baby. Like, you can still slay. Look, no shimmer. Besides the skin, this Juvia's Place highlight is giving it. The longer it's on my face, I'm just like, oh, okay, we can see you. we calm down. We can see you. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Now, I do want to say that you guys need to follow me on Instagram. I don't care if you don't really go on Instagram that much. You have a profile, you just don't use it. Go on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. Chanel Michelle. Chanel has 2 L's, so does Michelle. This top is a cropped. It's from Shein, 90s baby, which is who I am. I love you guys, and without further ado, we're closing the video. Thank you. Bye. Here we go, and here we go, and here we go. Arnold. Hey, Arnold. Banana.